you heard of this amazing spice called turmeric? It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking, and is now gaining popularity for its numerous health benefits. It is derived from the root of the curcuma longa plant and contains a compound called curcumin, which is responsible for its many health benefits. Here are 6 potential benefits of turmeric. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin in turmeric has strong anti-inflammatory properties. This may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to many chronic diseases such as arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. 2. Antioxidant properties. Turmeric has antioxidant properties that may help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. These are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the development of chronic diseases. 3. Pain relief. Some studies suggest that curcumin may help reduce pain and improve function in people with osteoarthritis and other types of joint pain. 4. Digestive health. Turmeric has been used traditionally to improve digestion and treat digestive problems. Studies suggest that it may help relieve symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. 5. Brain health. Some studies suggest that curcumin may help improve brain function and reduce the risk of cognitive decline in Alzheimer's disease. 6. Heart health. Turmeric may help improve heart health by reducing inflammation and improving blood vessel function, which may reduce the risk of heart disease. Overall, turmeric has many potential health benefits, but more research is needed to fully understand its effects on human health. It is important to consult with a healthcare professional before taking turmeric supplements, especially if you have any medical conditions or are taking medications. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.